Robinson unboxing, where myself, my husband, my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything I buy. So today we have 2 different little boxes. One is Scentbird and the other is Colour Curate by So Susan Cosmetics. So I want to start out with the So Susan. So it is $20.95 a month. It gives you 4 full-size products. I do order it from Crate Joy. So we're just gonna open it, get the little pouch, the little makeup bag. So, I mean, this one has little lipsticks all over it. Way cuter than last month, so hopefully that is a good start. And so I'm gonna just dump it out, and then we're gonna go for the first. So the first is Triple Cosmetics, and it's lip gel stain. So this is what it's gonna look like, the packaging. And once I open it, it's an itty bitty little one. So
what is it?
It's a lip stain.
Oh, okay.
So lip stain is basically like lipstick kind of, but a lot of lip stains, they dry up, and it's like kind of like a peeling mask. You peel it off and the color's just left.
Interesting.
He doesn't know anything about this
Not
stuff.
a clue. Completely clueless, to be honest.
I didn't bring a knife, so.
It has a taste.
It tastes like plastic wrap.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. So the color is like a pinky red. More pink. Now, if you watch the videos, you know I don't generally wear pink. But I will try this because I haven't had a lip stain in a while. And I want to see how this one works. So, this one is 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. So, it is a little product, but sometimes these lip stains and stuff come in little packages. It's not like, you know, lotion or something that you need more of. So that's our first item. Our second item, it looks like a lipstick, and this is by So Susan. So it does have cute packaging. I mean, the last time I got one of these was last month, and I hope it's a different shade, because it was like bubblegum pink last time, and I did wear it for, I think it was one of my videos even. And oh my goodness, it did not suit me at all. I just can't pull off pink.
Kind of looks like fireworks, doesn't it? The packaging.
This?
Yeah.
It's got an Eiffel Tower in it.
Yeah, but like the box kind of looks like fireworks thing. Yeah.
Where?
There's no wick, but this is just like if there was a wick, you know.
Oh, I guess. I thought you were talking about like the package had fireworks
No, the whole
on
thing
it.
looks like a firework.
Oh. So this is in the shade Paris, which, I mean, it makes sense why there's an Eiffel Tower on it. So you can see the little Eiffel Tower, and I'll turn it, and you can see.
It's on my bucket list. She's already been there, but
I've been there twice.
I'd like to go.
I love Paris. Okay, this is not the shade I was expecting. So it is a nude lip. So, bear with me. I'm going to try and use this. Okay, so, not all nude lips go. Like right now, it just looks like I have like concealer on my lips. Like it's just so nude. But I mean, this is kind of the point, but I need to have something. It just, no. No. So, I mean, that's a bummer. So, I mean, I can pull off a lot of lips. Like, let's see how I can get some of this off. I can do lots of different shades of red, even some burgundies, darker shade nudes, pinks, and this. No, the only one I've seen worse than this, it was one by Gerard Cosmetics, which is a great brand. But it looked like I had concealer on my lips. Just did not work for me at all. So that's number 2. So that one's disappointing. Still don't know about the lip stain because it's looking really pink right now. And we only have 2 more items left. So not a great month so far. And this looks tiny too. I mean, they do say full-size products, but I mean, everything's been small. So this looks like a highlighting duo. Also by Trifle Cosmetics, which is the lip stain place. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, the camera, you can't really tell. It kind of looks like 2 neutrals, but one is like a pinky shimmery color. So I'm going to do a little swatch. Yeah, that's definitely a highlighter, not... So, and then this one.
Kind of shiny.
Yeah. It's a highlighter, Matthew. Okay, so I don't know if you'll be able to see the 2 colors. So one is more like a pink shimmer and the other is like a gold. So those are actually really, really nice. So at least I got something that I will use. So that's our 3rd product. And for our final product, it is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. That is a name. So it is Plasma Palette Ultra Saturated Eyeshadow Palette. Let's see. I've been playing a lot recently with my Ace Beauty palette, and I've used a lot of it. So this is what it looks like. I mean, not super impressed with the packaging. To me, it looks like something I'll get from Dollarama. Like, it's just plastic with black lettering writing. I mean, it's nothing fancy. Some of the eyeshadow palettes now are like so crazy detailed with like flowers all over them, and you know, they're all engraved. So something like this, I mean, hopefully the eyeshadows are good enough to make up for the packaging. Because I mean, the first thing when you're choosing something you're going to be drawn to is the way it looks on the outside, not the color inside, because you don't know until you open it. Can you open that?
I don't know. I guess let's see if it's matte proof or not. Yep, looks like I opened it.
Okay, so there is a little bit of breakage. And there is a mirror, so I'm going to cover the mirror for showing you guys so you don't see everything going on. And this is what it looks like. So definitely all shimmers. So I'm going to do a little swatchy on my arm here. Oh. It's like super soft formula. Like my finger like just goes right into the powder. Okay, those are very shimmery and very pigmented. So we know I like that because a lot of the shimmers, I mean, you really have to like go and dab it on to get anything from it. So, I mean, crappy packaging, Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, but pretty good formula so far. Hopefully it looks better on, because I mean, this looks pretty good. So that's all that we have for our So Susan Cosmetics. So next we have Scentbird. We're gonna go back to him now.
All right, so we're gonna do the Scentbird one right now, as she mentioned here. So I'm just gonna pull out. First, I'm gonna pull out the card and see what it says here. What is that one?
Oh, I added on his subscription so I could get my own.
Oh, this is one for her. Oh, nice.
It's always one for me.
All right, well, which one of these is yours then?
The one that doesn't smell like a dude.
Oh, okay. Let's find out. Let's find out if I can tell which one's a dude or not. Alright. So it's got another one of these. I think we had another video, one of these sort of little lock things, which is pretty handy. That's what it looks like there. So let's see if I can unlock it here. Let's see if it can spray. It sprays right out of the locking mechanism. Yeah, no,
so that one is House of Solage. So this is what it's gonna look like, the full size looks like. Now these subscriptions are, I think, around $16 a month. And then for the second scent, it cost me $13. So I'm like, it's cheaper. Let's add one for me. So this month I did Dolce & Gabbana. And this is what the full size would look like. But this is what I got. So
you gotta be careful. It sprays over there. It's kind of crazy.
it smells really good.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the girly one for sure.
Yeah, so it says, delicious flower blossoming in a garden where simple pleasures and spontaneity set for the beat for a joyful afternoon dance. Now, I don't remember the last time I was dancing in a garden, so that's probably not going to happen, but at least I'll smell good if I do. So this one has flower coconut essence and ylang, whatever that is.
All right, I forgot to mention what's in these. So this one has amber, cinnamon, tonka, clove, and vanilla. Is the different scents in there. To me, it almost has a little bit of a whiskey smell or something. Maybe I'm just a little bit thirsty. I'm not too sure, but it has a little bit of a scent, a little bit of a scent to it that has kind of a boozy smell. Not in a bad way, like late at the bar kind of thing, but really good scent.
Yeah, like when you go out with your boys next week, he comes home smelling like a brewery for days. Like it's just coming out of his pores.
Exactly. It kind of has that scent.
Yeah. So those are our 2 for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're liking our content. Comment if there is a mystery box that you would like us to try. You know, send us a link to it and I will try my best to get it. I know that there is a new ColourPop mystery one out, and I wanted to let you know that although I did it last time, I will not be doing it this time because it was so awful last time. As you can see from a video that we have posted, I mean, 2 of the 9 items were, to put it nicely, crap. I mean, stickers and barrettes in a beauty box, no. So just to let you know that one I will not be posting about, but Ophir Cosmetics just came out with a mystery box, so that's really exciting. And I do have it, and it's on the way to me right now. So hopefully I will get that soon, and I can make a video of that one. I also have a special one coming, and it's a Korean and Japanese beauty box. So, I mean, if anyone knows the stuff that they come out with there for beauty supplies, I think it's going to be pretty interesting. So you're going to want to stay tuned. So subscribe so it pops up. Hit the notification bell so that you just get it automatically notified when we put those up. Have a good night, guys. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye for now.